Hi everyone, like I said I would do, here is the greenhouse video. So here is my greenhouse that I made a month ago. Here are all my plants. They have grown very beautifully. I have cucumber, I have oregano, I have basil. The reason why this greenhouse worked out so well is because it created a microclimate for my plants to thrive in. So the aluminum foil reflects the sun and bounces it off on the plants. Also, it helps preserve the heat. So all the material that you need are household items that you probably already have. Very obviously, a cardboard box, aluminum foil. I use straws, but you can also use these wooden sticks, or you can go pick out some branches, or you can even roll the aluminum foil into little thin sticks for your lid. You're gonna need some sort of plastic. I'm using this Amazon bag because it's a very thick kind of plastic, but you can use any plastic bag, a glue gun, or some Scotch tape. So the first thing that I already did off camera was I cut the flaps of my box like so, and I left a little bit of flaps on the sides to help support the lid. With the flaps, what I used is I'm using them as bottom support. So when you want to transport your greenhouse, you don't want everything to collapse on you. You're gonna glue these on the bottom. The next thing you're gonna want to do is you want to grab some aluminum foil and you're gonna line the walls of your box. So I'm just gonna leave some that's gonna go under the floor, so I make sure that the walls don't just like fly out. You want it to be thick plastic because your plants might leak, and if you get the cardboard box wet, like it might give out on you, and like you don't want that mess. Now I'm gonna and you're just gonna cut the excess, or you can just fold it. Okay. So for the lid, you're gonna want to measure out how many straws you would need horizontally and vertically. So I'm just gonna fold the straw inside the other straw. Okay, and this I'm just gonna leave them out to see how many I need. Sorry. So here's another one. Okay. So I have my lid structure right here. Now I just have to glue them together. Next, you're gonna grab a piece of plastic. I have this bubble wrap. You can use, again, a clear plastic bag, and you're gonna cut it to the size of your box. Next step is just to glue it up, and make sure to leave enough plastic at the back so you can glue that to your box, and you can then open it and close it. So after you've glued your plastic to your straws, you can go ahead and glue it in the back, and you're done. You have your DIY greenhouse made out of recycled materials, and you can begin growing your plants in a much faster way and with a better microclimate for them. I think it's very important, especially now more than ever, to be at least a little self-sustainable, if only with our vegetables. Thank you.